Hi, I'm going to try and make you a video showing you how you can earn money with Clio and Plum. Right, these are the two banking apps available for the UK. Really simple to use, dead easy. You just need to sign up and link your bank card, and then, well, it'll make you some money. And it's a good little banking app. There's a couple of different features. Clio will let you type in balance to see your current available balance. Like Plum will allow you to save money. They're both very similar. I'll show you a little bit if you can work this out. They work through Facebook, so it's a simple little app. I'll show you Clio. Don't know why it's absolutely screwed at the moment, and it won't allow me to reconnect my bank. But all you need to do is just register and log in, and then it'll show you how much you've got in your bank account. And then you can set up a Clio wallet, and then every time someone joins, you'll get £5 for UK, $5 for US and Canada. If you look now, I've just typed in balance, and it'll tell me that's how much I've got in the bank, that's how much in the wallet, that's how much overall. Plum works in much the same way, really. See if we can find that. Right, with Clio you get £5 every time someone joins. With Plum you get £25 every time 3 people join. So if you've got time and you want to earn some money, you got some friends, it's worth working them both. It's free cash for doing it, and it'll just keep you tide you over if you're desperate for a little bit of money. So far, done only 7 people on Plum. It's a bit harder to work for some reason, but you just link up and you join and you link up your bank account, and then every 3 people you'll get £25. I've only got to 7 people. That was a random sign up, so that's pretty good. But I prefer using Clio, to be honest. I think Clio's a better banking app, and when it's working, unlike today, it is really good for looking at your bank balance. You see, you just press in balance. Now it'll show you how much is in your bank. People say it's a scam because you need to link your bank account, but these are the same people who are always broke, got no money, worth stealing, so I'll never understand it. But if you need a little bit of fast cash and you're short, you can do Clio and Plum. It's a little bit of free money, you got no to lose. If it was a scam, I wouldn't have 554 quid in the bank using Clio. It would have been taken. They've never taken any money without my permission. With Plum, they've got a little bit of a savings app. So what it'll do when you paid, it'll save a little bit of money each way into your wallet and offer you a rate of interest which is better than a bank. So you can keep it, and then if you've got an emergency, you won't even notice it's missing really. If you're good managing money, then if you've got an emergency, you can cash out and then you just get it back in your bank in a day. So I think they're both good apps. I'll mention in the link in the comments that there's other ways to make money as well, and I'll put it all in the link tree in my blogs. If you've got time, go through them. If you like this video, give it a like. Always welcome for comments and feedback. If you think I'm crap, you can say that as well. All comments are allowed. Maybe subscribe to the channel at the bottom. If you like it, share it. It's up to you. And I'll be back tomorrow with some more.